If you want to enhance your PayPal security by removing old devices, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Open your web browser and go to the PayPal website. Enter your email address and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, locate the gear icon or settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to security settings. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Review linked devices. Look for a section that lists all devices currently linked to your PayPal account. This may be labeled as managed devices or something similar. Review the list carefully. Step 5. Remove old devices. Select the old devices you wish to remove. There should be an option to remove or forget these devices. Confirm your choice to complete the process. By following these steps, you can easily remove old devices from your PayPal security settings, ensuring your account remains secure. Regularly updating your security settings is a good practice for protecting your online transactions.